It's like Minsu. Wow, okay, that was fully you. That was actually just fully you.
I think.
I'm begging you.
Oh!
Go, you
Oh!
What an
I
opener.
dropped the did I not drop? Did I drop the lantern? What the hell? What is this? It's been 5 months, but
It's one hell of a way to start it.
oh, new music, new sounds.
Yeah. Sick.
So menacing.
This place is menacing.
Have confidence.
Oh god, this.
Oh, Lord have mercy on my
Confidence, by the way.
soul.
Goodbye. Just switch your camera.
I lived.
Yep. Don't. Oh shit.
This guy is like incapable of playing the video game.
Quite a time SPS. Oh.
Free me. Free me.
Take him, take him, take him.
Spear, man.
Wait.
One of those dead. Call it intuition.
Wow. Intuition, you played this game before, you dumbass.
True. Oh shit.
Well. Hasta la vista, baby.
He stole my rock! I tried to throw it at him. Oh my god, screw you.
Oh my goodness. I don't know what to say. He's cracked. What the hell is going on?
It's like your anti-grav hook.
Oh my goodness.
What can I say? Screw you.
Oh, he's insane with it. Oh
Shit,
my good
yeah.
god.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh. I'm gonna vomit.
Look, man. Oh, you.
This is hard enough without you interfering. Okay, this is lizard top right, you see it?
Yes. Hey, you, please.
Oh
I
shit,
don't know why
and he's
I'm-
caught me
oh.
so beautifully. That was
Oh, I
masterfully
can't
done.
even
So
do anything about that.
Uh-oh.
oh, your turn. Let's go, pull out the spear. Hold up, pick up. Hold, pick up. Okay. Now, jump off down to the right of it and throw it left. Okay, close enough.
Hey, you guys want to see me?
You
Pretty quick, man.
lick the spear
Well-
out of your hands. That lizard is gonna kill us at least, like, 4 times.
I don't know
Okay.
what you're talking about.
We have infinite amounts of karma
Careful.
flower.
Oh,
Switch hands
I'm a
of it, switch
Matrix
hands.
god.
You've got the... Oh, okay.
I have seen.
Yeah, stop, please. Please, 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 please. Would you not? Oh.
Shoot him! Ah. Don't shoot his head. There's a spear in that pipe.
Yeah, he's in the pipe too, man.
Go. Oh my god.
Okay, check this shit out.
Oh no, you piece. Oh man, you better run. My sacrifice is not for nothing.
It is for nothing, actually.
Yeah.
Oh. Ah, frick, it's for nothing.
Yo, relax. Relax.
The slow-mo mouth open.
It's okay.
Scott.
So, sometimes sensors are more funny.
Instant
Help.
Scott, get off.
This is not it, Chief.
Scott, please.
Dude,
Did you
I'm
press
not
the press the
holding
throw
you.
button? Yes, you are. There you go. Now you're not.
Wait, do we even need the lantern anymore?
you.
So, Scott, you want to play,
I sent you a sexy Trico as well.
No? Thinky.
Yeah. Look, man, just
Scott's into bestiality. Well-known fact.
just for the record, this is true.
Really?
Yes, it is.
Don't
You know,
cut that out, Cal. There will be no editing done for any of this footage.
You know when you refer to the recording while playing it, it makes it way cringier.
Cool story, bud.
Know what I mean?
Yep. He's right.
See, Cal knows.
Well.
Goodbye.
Huh?
Thank him, George.
Okay. Please, if you do that again, okay.
Oh, he was.
Dude, what is this pinging you? Let's just kill him off rip next time.
No, the wrong way.
The wrong way.
He hit me again.
Okay, he's stupid.
Stop it.
Thing.
Go away.
Whoa.
No one likes you.
Yeah, that creature is the scum of the earth.
Freaking. Please, man.
Cal, send it.
Yeah. We've got to wait for the slowpoke.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Then
At least I make my jumps.
I made the jump.
Yeah, but you keep going to the pipe backwards like an idiot.
It's stylish, you know.
Oh my god.
Wow, Cal. Imagine being the slowpoke of the group.
I imagine. Couldn't be me. He says going through the pipe backwards.
You.
Let me up. Ah, shit.
Help!
I can't reach him, he's
Oh my
faster.
god, I'm about to uninstall Parsec right now. First of all, Scott aggro's him. He decides to loop down. And of course...
Looks like
Oh,
guys are
Scott
finished.
died. Please die, Scott, please die. Blizzard, get his ass. Yes!
Oh, come on.
Oh, well.
Wait.
Okay, that means Scott's gonna die as well.
Yes, hit him. Scott pulling on his
Don't do
steer.
it. Oh my god. Like an idiot.
No.
You put it back in your on your back
I
again.
put it back.
Yeah.
Oh.
Good job.
Take him. Thank you. Appreciate it, King.
Okay. Nice, Mike. Wait. Don't go any further. Jump this way.
This is not even there. Never mind. It is there. Jesus Christ.
Jump to the left.
Hey,
Jason Bourne.
what the hell is wrong with this page? How do you hit me? I'm off the map. Like freaking Sofago.
Ah, shit. Throw right.
Yeah.
Scott.
Help
Alright,
me.
Scott. What are you doing? You put your big...
What? What?
I don't want to go up.
Go left. Siren sounds.
Hey, there's a spear in here.
The Duke. Oops,
Can I shoot the spear through the...
Double tap.
Pipe?
Switch hands. Oh, the dodge. Double tap, switch hands.
I can't do it while I'm climbing, can I?
You can. You're using your arrow keys to climb.
No.
You forgot to double tap at any point. You missed every shot.
Cal, send it.
Yeah. Look at this pagan to the left of you. You think you can get it past it?
Geist, bitch.
Yes. Yes. Am I wrong? Scott, was I wrong?
You're not wrong.
See, exactly. Scott, Cal, that better be in the video.
Wow, it's so cringe referring to the video.
No, see, this one's not gonna be in the video. But if, yeah, it
Your
is,
mic's
because
so
Scott
bad all of a
implies for
sudden.
that part. Yes, Cal. I mean, Scott, your mic is horrendous.
It's yours, you idiot.
Mine is. What's wrong with my mic?
It's like... It's like an explosion in the eardrums.
What is happening?
Cal, top right, just there. Yep.
Oh.
Good job.
Okay, we can go left and dodge the first lizard.
You like me shaking my ass on the wall?
It's beautiful.
It's like Minsu. Wow, okay, that was fully you. That was actually just fully you. So we can't progress? Poggy?
No,
Can
I
we
mean...
please hold on for a second?
I think...
I'm begging you.
Oh!
Four. That was quite something. Okay, wait.
Yeah, great.
Whoops. Okay.
You were so
Get a
lucky.
bit higher than that.
That's what we're doing.
Over here. Into here.
Oh,
He died.
oh no!
He died. Okay, Cal, I have a good idea. It's called push Scott off the map.
Many people say this actually.
What? You pushed me.
I believe.
Oh man, let's get it. Let's get it.
Let's go. Let's go. Okay.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Fine. It's fine. It's fine. It was calculated.
Yeah. Yeah. Eat the fruit.
Okay. We here get you go. You jump. Watch, Cal. We're gonna beat this bitch ass level by ourselves. Okay, we're alive. We're alive. We're alive.
Yeah.
We're alive and well. Unlike this other dead fool at the bottom of the screen.
Exactly.
Okay, Scott, we need to remember to go from the left side.
I'll remember you.
I was holding up. I swear I was holding up. I swear.
Scott can make it, I believe.
Oh,
Nice, huge. You somehow
not
hit him with
again.
that and killed him with that.
He did not die.
He fell to his
Literally
death.
fell off. Are you peace?
Just wait for 2 seconds. He'll be back up here.
Nah. He's grievously injured.
I have the long jump? How do you long
Hold
jump?
down jump until your character lifts their booty. What do you?
He's sleeping.
What? Okay, don't hold down. Hold down. Hold down. Hold down. Jump.
Down, down.
Okay, just
Scott,
hold
no,
down.
you're
Jump.
doing it wrong. You can't hold down. You have to hold down. Hold down. Hold down.
What is the thing again?
Hold jump. And then release that and
Hold
press up.
down. And then
No, don't hold down.
don't hold down. Just hold down.
Release jump. And after you jump,
And
hold
then jump after you hold down.
Shut up.
And then
Tap down.
and then
Once.
hold
And hold
down
jump.
as well.
Okay,
And
then
then
release
hold
it
down.
and press up.
Hold jump
Right there.
down and then
Yes.
hold.
Blind flood.
Oh god.
Just be cracked at the game. Is that what you're telling me?
Okay, you could try duck between. Oh, you pick. He grappled to you. Amazing.
Yeah.
You're gonna have to pick him up and throw him again.
What? Can I just like
No,
ungrab him?
You've got.
That's chain. Just reach for the pink boy, grab him, and
As soon as he grabs his claws on you, so just try it. Fire, shoot. Oh my god.
Dude, don't let
of coolness.
actually from the fact that in 1996,
This is a meme
the
from like
Undertaker.
decades ago. Why are you suddenly obsessed with it?
What about the Undertaker?
Well, in 1996, the Undertaker threw humanity off the Hell.
I can't
Cell,
control my
plummeted
character.
20 feet into the announcers table.
Fine. He did what to who now?
In 1996, the Undertaker threw humanity off Hell in a Cell, who plummeted 20 feet into the announcers table.
Who's the hell in a cell?
Who's Helen? Cell?
Look who's the slowpoke now. Well, MCO.
I was actually just coming back down to keep Cal company, so
Why, thank you.
you're welcome.
Wait, you're going down to keep what company there? Oh my.
You. I just predicted it. I don't know what to say.
No Scott can for you.
Okay.
Okay, we're still alive. Don't even worry about it.
Okay, wait.
I'm
I
a
better go for the
rookie.
moment. Scott,
Yeah.
what did I just say?
What about what?
He said the Undertaker broke helsing
Oh my
hellwing
God.
and then threw him into the pool.
I definitely
Fell
did not
20
say that.
feet and plummeted into the announcers table.
Anybody want to aggro the lizard? Yo, done it together. Can you believe it?
Okay,
Oh,
so
well,
yeah.
not
Scott,
First
Scott, what are you doing?
Scott, you absolute monkey penis.
Oh, shh.
Oh!
Can you shoot? Do you have a spear?
I love being heard.
No.
Then I sacrificed my life for Pakistan.
Save you. Let's kill us. Okay, he's gone. We've got enough. Wait, there's a Wait. I have not seen this before. This might be a safe point. I'm sure there's a safe house up here. Yo, he's so pro. He's so pro. Go, you go.
Where?
To the right. Go up his side. Okay, nice. There's a...
Scott,
up
go to
the
the
right.
mistakes.
He's actually good.
Scott, are you the next Peter Parker?
Nice. Okay.
It's too short.
Yeah, when you're swinging. Okay.
You have to leap to the other
Nice.
side.
He's
Yo,
cracked. Okay.
he's on the X Games mode.
Yeah. I'm good.
Okay, wait. Stop. There's a lizard. Okay.
My God.
Just
Okay.
wait there, right there. Okay, he's leaving.
What an idiot!
Wait, you might be able to go now.
Where's the camouflage? That
It's
thing in the middle?
bright glowing one.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, the Gul'dan.
Go.
No.
Go. Down.
Go.
Oh my God. Okay.
He's correct.
Eat the camouflage?
Okay. Yes. Oh my God. I had a heart attack.
I am a
Not
king!
not even metaphorically. I just straight up had a heart attack.
I
I'm
am
dead
the
now.
god of kings!
Oh my God.